I'm gonna replace the grill here, and to do that I need to remove the bumper, the front bumper, so I'm gonna be doing that. I haven't seen any videos, so I'm posting mine. The first thing you gotta do is remove this cover here. That's pretty easy. Just have a few plastic bolts to lift. Then you remove that. You have to disengage here the air intake. I removed this one as well if you don't need it. Then you have to remove these screws. Down here you have to remove these plastic bolts that are there, right, like this. Have to move from the edge everything surrounding the bumper, and then there are a few screws as well, like this one. They have to remove as well, using your wrench. Okay, and you have to do that all around the front. Once you remove all these screws under the car, go back to the side and you start pulling out these, and then you have a screw right there as well, a Phillips one. I don't know if you can see it. And then you pull it out. So once you remove all these and the screw, you see this is gonna be loose, right? And then you remove the screw. So what you have to do is pull here carefully, right? And you see it disengaged from there. Be careful not to break it, right? Okay, so the front bumper now is out. One thing, so after you pull this, you keep on pulling here a little bit. Here you make sure you lift this a little bit up, right? It's gonna be, there's a little plastic going on here, so you have to lift this a little bit to take it off. And same here on the side, right? So you lift this a little bit up, and then you just keep on pulling and it will come out. Now I'm gonna remove the grill from the back. After playing a little bit more with this, I noticed that there are some other screws under this. So what I'm gonna have to do, unfortunately, is remove all these rivets here, right? All these rivets that are shown here, and only then I should be able to remove the grill. So I have to do that. With all the rivets removed, now this thing comes out, and then I have access to the remaining screws that I have to remove. Mando? Okay, that was it. Now we remove that. You can see some deer hairs there. So now we have the screws. I'm gonna be removing all the screws and then take the grill out and replace it.